This is my first morning waking up in Pakistan. Time difference of 3 hours to China is immense. So anyway, the movie scene made me wake up at 4:45. What can I say? Look at this clear air here. That's a 7,000 meters high mountain over there. Sun is just rising. I was looking for a coffee. There's none. But my friend here is making me some omelette with bread and tea. Okay, I guess what you see down there is how you can imagine the Karakoram Highway decades ago. This lake that you see down there has been here when I was starting to dream to build the Karakoram Highway. This lake was not man-made. It's a result of a massive landslide that covered, I think you still see it over there, that covered, let's say, the exit of this huge canyon. So with this it created this huge lake. Didn't think it's so big, and obviously created also a tourist spot. So in the past you were going down there at the bottom of the canyon. Now you have a perfect highway up here. And you can imagine, with my big bike fully loaded, I prefer to go on this well-maintained highway instead of a bumpy, not paved road down in the canyon. So while I was riding fully loaded, just to take some more pictures and footage for you here from the Karakoram Highway, look how I'm discovered on the left side of the road. So guess what? I went back and I found my group again. And we guys spent more than a month together. From Laos all the way through China. How many kilometers did we ride together? 8,000? 10,000? 10,000? Wow.
Yes, wow.
Yeah. And this might be our last day together, instead, in my case. So.
No, you're gonna stay here tonight with us.
And that's indeed what happened. I stayed for a night in this hotel where all the others stayed, unloaded my bike and proceeded this day without luggage, the road that I rode yesterday, to take some more footage and photos for you from this amazing road.
know about the camera lens, but maybe this gives you an impression how steep and tall these mountains are beside the road. It's like, well, it's going vertical up. Color-wise, I think we got here in the perfect time of the year. Looks a little bit like Indian summer, or what we call autumn. All these trees.
So guys, our last common breakfast. I very much enjoyed your company. Thank you for everything.
This is video. This is video. Kenapa
This is video,
lupa ini?
yes.
This is video. Hey, let's do the drink again for you.
They do have a kind of coffee ritual. Look at that.
Guys, cheers from Indonesia.
Indonesia style.
To Germany. Ultimate Germany.
Goodbye procedure with a fitting soundtrack. Bye. Bye guys. Bye.
Yeah.